everyone, and welcome to How to Move Through Amsterdam. Today we're going to be discussing the intricate tram system that weaves its way through the city.
Amsterdam's tram network consists of 15 lines, 500 stops, and over 200 kilometers of track. If you're starting your journey from Amsterdam Central Station, then you're in luck. Most of the trams start from right here. To get started, you need to purchase a ticket. To purchase a physical ticket, you need to purchase one at the tickets and service areas, usually located outside each major station in the city.
Or, more conveniently, you can use OVP, which allows you to check in and out with your bank card or your phone.
You can also purchase a ticket via the GVB app, and you can connect your bank card to the app for more information on your journey.
Once you've got your ticket, you can get on the tram and check in.
The trams are usually clean and comfortable, and the conductors are always happy to help. A handy tip: download the GVB app for real-time updates, route planning, and check tram schedules.
One of the unique things about the tram is that it often runs along the canals, giving you a front row seat to Amsterdam's most picturesque views. And some of them also pass along the city's most famous landmarks, like the Museum, for example. The trams run frequently, so you never have to wait too long for the next one.
And if you want to travel outside the city centre, you can either go to Amsterdam or even Iber.
And if you're traveling with children, the tram's also a great option. Many trams have designated areas for strollers.
Something important to keep in mind when boarding some trams is that you can enter from two spots, the front or the middle doors. Keep an eye out for the signs on the doors to see where you can enter. And make sure to move to the front or the back of the tram and don't stay in the middle. If
you want to get out, you need to press the red button to indicate you'd like to depart at the next stop. If you want the tram doors to open once you've arrived, you need to press the green button.
And always keep an ear out for the conductor, as they might have important or relevant information to share along the way. They also might ask everyone to move a bit further into the tram.
Important to know is that all trams in Amsterdam have designated wheelchair space and priority seating. You can also find tram stops deemed wheelchair accessible that are marked on route planners on gvb.nl. So, whether the city's tram network is new to you or you're here for the first time, the tram is a great way to get around.
So hop on board and experience the city in a unique way.